In this video, I'll show you how to make money online with AI images and how to sell AI images for profit. This is one of the fastest growing ways people are making money right now. And the best part is you don't need to be a designer, you don't need expensive gear, and you don't need years of experience. Now, here's the situation. Let's say you have a basic product image. Maybe something taken from your phone. Something that looks average and not really usable for marketing. Traditionally, you would have to hire a product photographer, maybe a videographer, or even a designer to turn that into something high quality, and that would cost you a lot of money. But not anymore, because now you can use AI to turn that basic image into professional, studio-level visuals in minutes. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you using OpenArt. We're going to take a simple image and transform it into multiple high-quality visuals that you can sell as a service or use to make money online. And once you understand this process, you can apply it to almost anything. Before we jump into creating our own images, let's look at a real example. If you go on Fiverr and search for AI product photography, you'll see listings like this one. An agency is offering to take simple images and turn them into luxury product photos. Their entry-level package is about $100, and for that, they'll take a simple mobile photo and generate a professional-looking image that looks like it came out of a studio. Their higher packages go over $1,000, and they deliver multiple images, AI-generated videos, prompt customization, and revisions. What they're really doing behind the scenes is uploading client images, writing prompts for AI, generating multiple variations, picking the best ones, and delivering polished content. Once you understand this process, you can do the exact same thing yourself. Alright, let's do this step by step. First, open OpenArt using the link in the description so you can follow along. Go to the image section and click Create Image. You can generate an image from scratch or work from a reference image. For this, we're going to transform an existing product image because that's what clients pay for. Upload your basic tennis bracelet image into the reference section. This tells the AI exactly what object we're working with. Make sure your AI model is set to Mano Banana Pro, keep the resolution high, and if you're on a free account, just set the quantity to 1 so you don't waste credits. Now let's create our first image, a luxury studio shot. Use a prompt like, display this tennis bracelet on a dark matte black surface with soft spotlight, high contrast, clean reflections, luxury studio lighting, sharp focus, premium composition. Hit Generate. And in a few seconds, you'll get a professional-looking image. This is exactly what a $100 Fiverr package delivers. One simple photo transformed into something that looks like it came from a professional studio. Always generate a couple of variations and pick the best one to offer quality to your clients. Once you have your favorite, download it, because this will be the base of the next style. Next, let's create a lifestyle shot. Upload your studio image as the new reference, and change the prompt to show this tennis bracelet being worn on a model's wrist in a real-life setting, soft natural daylight, shallow depth of field, blurred background, realistic hands interacting with the bracelet, cinematic lighting, focus on the product. Generate, and now you'll have a lifestyle image that makes it look like the bracelet is actually being worn. This is highly valuable for brands, because it works perfectly for social media and ads. Download the best one to use for the next style. Finally, let's create a gift or promotional style image. Upload your best image again, and use a prompt like, place this tennis bracelet inside an elegant gift box, with soft shadows, warm lighting, premium packaging, and cinematic composition. Generate, and now you have a completely different visual angle. From one basic photo, you now have 3 high-quality images: a studio shot, a lifestyle shot, and a gift-style image. This is exactly what higher-tier Fiverr packages are selling for hundreds or even over $1,000. Once you have these images, you can create your own Fiverr gig. For the basic package, offer one enhanced image for a lower price to get your first clients. The standard package can include multiple variations, like the 3 we just created. The premium package can include even more variations, faster delivery, or AI-generated videos. You can copy the structure of the listings you see on Fiverr, including revisions, multiple variations, and prompt customization, because clients love flexibility. Now let's talk about something even more premium: AI influencer images. Instead of just product photos, you can create a virtual model and place products with that model. Click Create Image again in OpenArt and write a prompt like realistic female influencer, long blonde hair, blue eyes, confident smile, casual outfit with a crop top and jeans, soft, natural lighting, realistic skin texture, Instagram style photo. Generate a few images, and now you have a realistic AI influencer that looks human. You can then generate images of this influencer holding a product, wearing it, or interacting with it naturally. Brands pay a lot for this type of content because it feels human and relatable. You can sell this as a separate service on Fiverr, starting with one image, then offering 3 to 5 variations with products, and even full social media content packs. Another great way to monetize these images is by selling them on Etsy or other marketplaces. You can create bundles of social media content, product mock-ups, lifestyle images, or influencer content packs. The advantage here is that you create once and sell multiple times, turning your workflow into a passive income source. Here are a few tips to get premium results. Always include lighting, composition, reflections, shadows, and background details in your prompt. Generate multiple variations and pick the best one. Upscale your images in OpenArt to increase resolution for client delivery. Be detailed with your prompts. Include textures, environment, and realism. The difference between an average image and a high-paying image is all in how detailed your prompt is. Experiment with different styles, compositions, and AI models to see what produces the best results. If you want to go even further, you can take your best image and turn it into a short AI video. Use the image-to-video feature in OpenArt. Upload your image and write a prompt like slow pan around the product, catch reflections and highlights, cinematic motion, 5 to 10 seconds. Generate. And now you have a short clip that can be used for ads or social media. Clients pay extra for videos, so this is an excellent way to upsell your services. So, to summarize, you start with a simple product photo, transform it into a studio shot, a lifestyle shot, and a gift-style image. Then optionally create an AI influencer model and combine it with your products. You can sell these images as packages on Fiverr, or as bundles on Etsy, or even create short videos for extra revenue. This workflow turns a single photo into multiple high-quality images, influencer content, and videos that clients are willing to pay premium prices for. Generate a few images, experiment with prompts, and start building your portfolio. Once you get the hang of it, you can create Fiverr gigs, sell on marketplaces, and even build full social media content packs for clients. Remember, the key is generating multiple variations, refining your prompts, and always thinking about how to make the image look as professional and realistic as possible. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try OpenArt yourself at a great price.